Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about data warehouse, an important concept in data management and analysis. A data warehouse is a system that helps in retrieving, analyzing, and managing data efficiently. It is a centralized storage system where data from multiple databases and sources are collected, transformed, and stored together. Unlike a normal database that stores day-to-day operational data, a data warehouse stores large volumes of data, often in terabytes, collected from different sources such as files, DBMS, and applications. This centralization allows organizations to easily access and analyze their data for better decision-making. So, in simple words, a data warehouse is like a big storage library of data that helps companies study the past and plan for the future. The main goals of a data warehouse are to provide easy access to management data, to maintain data consistency, to combine and separate data when needed, to support business reengineering and analysis, and to publish or share useful data across the organization. In short, it helps managers and analysts to understand the data better and make smart decisions. Now let's look at the benefits of using a data warehouse. It helps in informed decision-making. It combines data from many sources into one place. It allows historical data analysis. It ensures data quality, accuracy, and consistency. And it separates data analysis from daily transactions, improving the speed of both systems. A data warehouse is said to be subject-oriented, gives focuses on specific areas like sales or marketing. Integrated gives combines data from multiple sources. Time-variant gives stores data over time for trend analysis. Non-volatile gives once data is stored, it's not deleted or updated. In simple terms, a data warehouse helps organizations turn data into knowledge for better planning and decision-making. So that's all for today. Signing up, subscribe my channel for more updates.